let's also find out what our guest thinks. For the hour, we have National Trial Attorney Michael Jaffer. Thank you, Michael, for joining us. Tell us what your thoughts are about this witness and, in general, this self-defense claim by the defendant.
You know, this is the defendant's case to lose. He's got everything going for him except for his little presence in the courtroom with no empathy. But this testimony that we just saw right now with the knife, I think this only serves to help him, because at the end of the day, this shows that there was no premeditation. He wasn't carrying around a weapon. He wasn't walking around the neighborhood with this knife. This was a steak knife laying around in the kitchen, right? And so it shows that he was surprised by this event. And think about it. Wouldn't you be surprised if a bunch of guys roll up at your house, some of them in bicycles, one of them in a truck as big as your house, they show up to assault you? You're going to be stunned. I know he has some military training, but I don't think anybody would be expecting something like that. So he went in and got a steak knife. So clearly he wasn't at a gun store buying a bunch of military knives. He got a steak knife. And so I think this testimony right now about the way the knife was procured, I think this helps him. This whole entire case is his case to lose. He's got to show more empathy. But other than that, I mean, this testimony just furthers the whole self-defense narrative.
Yeah, and as the defense brought out, Michael, the drawer that he went to was very close to that garage door, so it was right there. Again, it goes against the premeditation. So what point do you think the prosecution was making by bringing that out? Because